I'm going to show you the high-strength 7.8 meter diameter hem-firm blind rivet. This is our 7.8 milli hem-firm blind rivet. Let's take a look at the dimensions of this rivet roughly. 7.8 millimeter in diameter. The length is about 13.7 millimeter. It's about 18.7 millimeter long with the head. It has a head thickness of about 3.7 mm, a head diameter of 16.23 mm, and a core diameter of 5.04 mm. Now we measure the thickness of the zinc layer of the rivet shell. 6.26 microns. We measure the push-out force of the nail core after riveting. We put it into the corresponding testing equipment. (3137N). We measured the tensile strength of a 7.8 13.5 hem-firm blind rivet. Here's two pieces of fixture, riveting them together. Put them in the testing equipment, and this is the tensile test. This is the tensile curve. 14.3N. We do a shear test. Rivet 2 work piles together with rivets. Put into the test equipment. Start the test. The standard is 15,500N. We measured the shear force is 18,605N. 7.8x 13.5 seahorse rivets. The core of the rivet is not too deep when minimally riveted. Let's look at the drumming effect together. The drumming is very close to the flat patch. Next, let's take a look at the max rivet. The drum is not as big, but it's also flat. This time the nail core is a bit sunken.